Hello everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm going to be your instructor for college algebra this spring semester. I'm really excited to get to work with you and hope that you enjoy this course. I wanted to make this little video to welcome you to class and also tell you about myself and also give you an intro to the course. Again, my name is Ryan and I live in Emporia, Kansas, and I currently work at Mary Herbert Education Center for UC 253, and I'm the Director of Assessment Accountability. I do a lot of things with data and assessments and accreditation. Prior to that, I was a math teacher at Emporia High School, and I did that for 13 years. So that's a little bit about me. Hope to learn about you during this class as well. So some things about this course I want to go over is, first off, this is our homepage. We're in college algebra, and that's a picture of me. Here's my phone number and my email address if you want to get in touch with me. Also on this homepage, you'll see our most recent announcements. I use announcements a lot for this course, so hopefully you have your announcements turned on so you get notifications within your email, so you get them. I usually do quite a bit throughout the week. It's my primary way of communicating with you. You can look at announcements, and that's where all my announcements are located. You'll see there's several here. Like here's a welcome that you got already, and here's a week 1 announcement. Welcome to college algebra. You got that. And then tomorrow, it looks like you're going to get a welcome to week 1. It'll kind of explain to you what's going on during week 1. And then you also have several other emails about pieces and some information about the sections and some key points and some videos and things like that I give you. Next thing is the syllabus. Make sure you spend a little time going over the syllabus. You can see what we're going to do each week. And our due dates are on Monday, so you can see that. Here you can click on this link and you can get a hard copy of the syllabus if you want it. Your modules are right here. This is the work you're going to do. It'll be linked up to your My Math Lab College Algebra course. I sent you access codes and a getting started attachment to help you connect to the course in My Math Lab. So hopefully you can do that starting tomorrow, and I hope you enjoy it. But again, you have the e-text, you have a discussion board to do. That's the introduction. You have a video lecture you can watch. You have some homework and a video lecture and some homework. You'll see part 2 or module 2, and it's due on the 31st. You have some homework and a video lecture again. I'd watch those and do your homework and do your quizzes and things like that. And your first test is going to be due on February 7th. And you can kind of scroll through this if you want to look at it. Here's your discussion board. Again, we have a discussion board for intros, so make sure you take a look at that and do your intro so we all know who you are. Then your grades are there, and that's really about it. Here's where you can click to log into your My Math Lab site. If you want to go that route, it should pop up right here. Open Math Lab and Mastery. That's how you can get in. So again, I'm Ryan, and I'm excited to get to work with you. And if you need help, let me know. I'm easy to get in touch with. If you email me, I'll certainly return your email pretty quickly. And if I don't, email me again because it probably got lost. So hope you have a good evening. I'll talk to you later.